So for those of you who are wondering how the shifter feels and shifts, here you go. That's first. And there's reverse. It's like super notchy, but it's also because I have the shortest handle, so if you have like one of the higher options, it's a lot easier to shift, but I like it. It's also adjustable, so I can make it less or more notchy if I like, and it looks nice. And if I didn't like the OEM like height option, then I can also get their medium or tall option, and then just change this one out. So this spins all the way off, has threads there, and then I can just thread the new one on, and it's also height adjustable on the other ones too. So there's normally like a set screw, and then you can just tighten it down to whatever height you'd like. But yeah, fully adjustable.